Exporting Paddle subscription management involves transferring subscription data from Paddle to another system or platform. To do this, you need to understand the Paddle API and have a basic knowledge of data export techniques. First, you need to log into your Paddle account and navigate to the dashboard. From there, click on the Subscriptions tab and select the subscriptions you want to export. You can filter subscriptions by status, creation date, or other criteria to narrow down the list. Next, you need to obtain an API key from Paddle to authenticate your export requests. You can find the API key in the Developer Settings section of your Paddle account. Make sure to keep the API key secure as it grants access to your subscription data. To export subscriptions, you can use the Paddle API to send a GET request to the subscriptions endpoint. You need to specify the API key, the subscription status, and any other relevant parameters in the request. The API will return a JSON response containing the subscription data. You can also use the Paddle API to export specific subscription fields such as customer information, subscription plans, or payment history. You need to specify the fields you want to export in the API request. Once you have exported the subscription data, you can import it into another system or platform. Make sure the data is in the correct format and that the import process is successful. Best practices for exporting Paddle subscription management include testing the export process, verifying the data, and ensuring the security of the API key. You should also regularly back up your subscription data to prevent data loss. In summary, exporting Paddle subscription management involves obtaining an API key, sending a GET request to the subscriptions endpoint, and importing the data into another system. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully export your Paddle subscription data and manage it effectively.